Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best surprise gift box is probably one of the most exciting and thoughtful ways to delight someone special, offering an unparalleled thrill of discovery as they unwrap a curated collection of mystery items designed to bring joy and wonder, making every occasion feel like a truly unique and memorable celebration of anticipation and delightful surprises. Number 5. LOL Surprise Dance Dolls. Get ready for an exciting unboxing experience with these fabulous dolls. Each one comes with 8 amazing surprises, including a special black light to reveal hidden glowing details. It's a fantastic gift for young girls. Every doll has her own unique dance move, revealed on a special holographic dance card. Watch the art move to show you how to perform iconic steps like the wheels on the coupe or Vogue at BB. Help them discover their signature style. Showcase your doll's incredible moves on her very own spinning dance floor. You can even connect multiple dance floors from the series to create an epic dance stage. Imagine all your dolls spinning together. There are 12 unique dolls in this collection, each with their own style and dance move. Collect them all to create the ultimate dance-off. Mix and remix their fierce choreographed dances for endless fun. Will you discover a character with an old-school vibe or a new-school flair? You might even find an MC to lead all the BBS in an epic dance battle. The possibilities for creative play are endless. What we like? This one is all about interactive fun and collecting. With its unique dance moves and spinning dance floor, it offers a dynamic play experience. If you have a child aged 4 to 7 who loves dolls, dancing, and discovering surprises, this is an excellent choice. It encourages imaginative play and the excitement of unboxing new characters to complete a collection. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as requested. Number 4. Wanateber Explosion Box DIY Gift, Black. This unique gift appears as a simple box when closed. But once opened, its sides gracefully fall back, revealing a stunning, multi-layered card. Inside, you'll discover a small surprise gift box. It's perfect for hiding a ring, watch, necklace, or any other special item to delight your loved one. It comes with various fun and agency cards, designed to hold over 20 photos. There are also built-in sections to write down and preserve your happiest memories together. This makes an ideal present for engagements, weddings, anniversaries, birthdays, or Valentine's Day. It's a heartfelt way to show someone you care on any special day. Let your loved one feel your heart through this warm, personalized creation. It's more than just a gift, it's a tangible expression of your affection. When fully open, it measures approximately 13.8 by 13.8 inches. When folded, it's a compact 4.7 by 4.7 by 4.7 inches, with various photo sizes accommodated. What we like? This option transforms from a simple box into a multi-layered scrapbook, perfect for capturing cherished memories. It includes a small surprise gift box inside, ideal for adding a ring or a watch for that extra wow factor. If you're looking to create a deeply personal and sentimental gift for an anniversary or Valentine's Day, this allows you to truly express your heart. What people say. Number 3. Wanateber Explosion Box, Black. Discover a unique way to celebrate special moments. This innovative box unfolds to reveal 6 faces, perfect for your cherished photos. It's a handmade album designed to surprise and delight. Forget complicated assembly steps. The main structure comes pre-assembled, saving valuable time and effort. Simply add your favorite photos and personal touches to complete your masterpiece. Everything you need for customization is included. From fun cards and stickers to ribbons and paper flowers, it provides ample supplies. There's even a built-in small gift box for an extra surprise. Create a truly personal gift with memorable photos and heartfelt messages. It offers a double surprise, making it ideal for birthdays, anniversaries, or Valentine's Day. This is a perfect way to express your love. Whether it's an engagement, wedding, or Mother's Day, this thoughtful gift suits many celebrations. It's designed to make any special day even more memorable. Give a gift that truly comes from the heart. Your satisfaction is their top priority. If you have any questions or concerns, their dedicated support team is ready to assist you promptly. They offer a 100% money-back or replacement policy. What we like? This version offers the convenience of a pre-assembled main box, significantly cutting down on setup time. You still get the joy of personalizing it with photos and messages, plus a hidden inner gift box for a double surprise. If you appreciate the DIY sentiment but want to skip the tedious assembly, this makes creating a heartfelt gift much easier and quicker. What people say. Number 2. FETTIPOP Exploding Confetti Gift Box. Imagine the look on their face. As soon as this gift box is opened, a shower of confetti erupts, creating an instant celebration. It's designed to bring pure joy and surprise to anyone who receives it. This isn't just any gift, it's an experience. Its unique design ensures a memorable moment that will truly take their breath away, perfect for any occasion. No one will expect what's hidden inside this seemingly ordinary package. It guarantees an explosion of happiness and laughter, delighting not only the recipient but everyone around them. Crafted with care in Europe, this product uses only the finest materials. Each one undergoes rigorous quality control, ensuring it arrives perfectly and performs flawlessly. Its sleek and elegant design ensures your present will truly stand out. Make any birthday or special event even more remarkable with this distinctive touch. What we like. This box delivers an instant burst of excitement with its dramatic confetti explosion upon opening. It's designed to create an unforgettable surprise and a genuine, wow, effect for the recipient. If you want to add a playful, memorable, and slightly mischievous element to your gift giving, this is the perfect choice for a guaranteed reaction. What people say. No reviews available from the source. Please provide source reviews to extract points. The provided source JSON is empty, so no product reviews could be extracted. Number 1. FETTIPOP Exploding Confetti Gift Box. Imagine the look on their face when they open a gift that's truly unique. This isn't just any present, it's an experience waiting to unfold. As they carefully lift the lid, anticipation builds. What could be inside this elegant package? Suddenly, a delightful surprise erupts. A shower of colorful confetti fills the air, creating an instant celebration. This magical moment sprinkles joy and laughter all around them. It's designed to bring an immediate smile to anyone's face. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or just because, it makes any event extraordinary. Give them a memory they'll cherish forever. What we like. Similar to its counterpart, this one also provides that fantastic confetti pop, ensuring a delightful surprise. Its premium white design offers a clean and elegant presentation, suitable for a wide range of celebrations. If you're looking for a straightforward yet impactful surprise gift box that fits any occasion from birthdays to graduations, this offers universal appeal. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.